Talon Wallet. Why are we working on Talon Wallet? How Talon Wallet came to be? We basically started having discussions about the greater ecosystem around Raptoreum with the guys roughly about a year ago, or maybe even
I think it
further.
was a bit
Yeah, I
more.
think
Yeah,
it
it
might
was a bit
be
more.
been longer than a year ago. And we came to the conclusion that in order for Raptoreum to become mainstream and to have mass adoption once the ecosystem is finished. I mean, once the chain is finished, we need a certain ecosystem of several systems that would be able to authenticate and authorize users, to sign and authorize transactions, to interact with smart contracts, to transfer tokens and assets in a very simple and safe and secure way. And essentially, we knew that we would need something that will be able to do that. That is not the core wallet, because for mass adoption, you need simplicity. You need people to be able to log in, connect without actually having to sync the entire node, without going through the entire process of downloading the core wallet from GitHub, figuring out what GitHub is, like digging through all the releases, figuring out which version you want. You know what I'm talking about. You need simplicity. You need one click, have it installed, have it set up, and you're up and running. No hassle, total user friendliness. Yeah. So we knew from the start that we're going to need a lot more software around the blockchain once everything is said and done and finished. And we basically started thinking about all these systems that need to be built. And then the first thing that came to mind was, well, we're going to need a wallet. Yeah. And it's going to have to be something that's simple, very easy to use, multi platform, self custodial. And we started fleshing out details of what basically has become Talon Wallet.